people, when they start setting goals, start feeling excited, but there's something gnawing in their stomach. And we need to listen to that, because that gnawing is going to be the one thing that's going to trip you in reaching your goals. So what are those gnawing things? A lot of people have, all of a sudden, they've got these dreams, but there's a fear on the inside. How am I going to manage and navigate my daily life? All the challenges, all the expectations, the real life challenges to reach those goals. The moment that I start feeling overwhelmed, I feel there's potentially going to be a lot more pressure, a lot more stress, and I already feel overstretched. What then starts happening is we freeze. The body, your nervous system, experiences this as a threat. And the moment that there's a threat, there's either a flight, fight, freeze, or a fawn where we start pleasing. There's a misalignment with where I want to go, but what is my capacity?